Hey crafters! My name is Saida and welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Now, let's get into it. Today, we're making the Blintz base. So make sure you have your paper in a diamond shape because we're just going to fold it in half, the book. Crease that and then do the same thing this way. So take it from point A to point B. Pretty much closing it like how we just did, just in a different direction. So we unfold that, and now we're going to take one tip and we're going to kind of like make it meet in the middle. And we're going to do the same thing with all the other ones. So, So now your paper should have 4 triangular flaps. Turn it over. And now we have a Blintz base. Bye!